I've been exploring various email marketing tools lately. As a designer, Flowdesk is definitely one of my favorites. Flowdesk is a user-friendly platform designed to help us create beautiful email and grow our business effortlessly. And this tool has also been recognized as a fan's favorite in Creator Tools Awards hosted by Contra. So here are top 3 features on Flowdesk that convinced me to give it a try. Number 1 is stunning email templates. They provides a beautiful templates for easy standout email creation. No design skill needed. Just select the templates, customize it to your brand, and you're all set. Next, it's simple and intuitive interface. So their editor makes it super easy for beginners to craft and send effective emails free from technical complexities. Last but not least, powerful automation. So if you're thinking about automating some process, well, you can definitely set up a workflow for nurturing your audience and driving conversions. It simplifies email marketing for new subscribers, welcome sequences, or re-engaging campaigns, saving so much time. Well, if you think email marketing tools are intimidating, well, Flowdesk is super easy to jumpstart, making it a favorite among creators and small business owners. Let us know what you think.